Regular maintenance can extend the serve life of the equipment, ensure the accuracy of test data, and reduce the risk of failure. In this issue, we will introduce you to some key maintenance methods. So first, daily maintenance. Clean the inside and outside of the chamber every week. Check whether the door seal is aging and damaged, and clean the dust on the condenser every month. Second, maintenance of the refrigeration system. Check the oil level and color of the compressor. If it is black or has impurity, the refrigeration oil needs to be replaced. Clean the drain pipe regularly to prevent blockage. Third, maintenance of electrical system. Check the power cord, relay, and other wiring for looseness every 6 months. Temperature and humidity sensors must be calibrated once a year by professional technicians. The restart after sudden shutdown and power failure should be delayed for more than 10 minutes to avoid damage to the compressor by liquid shock. Meanwhile, pay attention to the following operating specifications and record the equipment status in a timely manner. What else do you want to know? Welcome to leave us a message. See you next time.